I'm dead. I died. Give me a sec. Welcome to Unboxing Things. We are going to unbox an e-commerce brand today, and we're going to talk all about their unboxing experience because I'm Jessie Janae, co-founder and CEO of Lumi, and we care a little bit about boxing here. So I'm going to see what brand is in my mailbox today. Eyes closed, drum roll please. It's pouchy. It's MeUndies. What's the first thing I noticed about MeUndies unboxing? It's not a box at all. It's a pouch. And this pouch is really special. But I'm going to start with the fact that flexible packaging in general, meaning a package that has flexibility to it, is a really neat way to ship a product. Who is a good candidate for using flexible packaging? First up, if your product is not breakable, so underwear, soft goods, you can't crack it, you can't bend it, you can't hurt it, so flexible packaging is suitable. The other benefit that you get as a brand and as a whole human population is that flexible packaging can be really sustainable as an option. And it's not the packaging itself, we'll get to that in a second, but it's the fact that a package like this can be stacked and smushed and put into a carrier bag or into a truck more easily than a rigid box that takes up a certain amount of set volume. And the reality is that the emissions of how much shipments take are quantified in how many of these packages fit into a bag or a truck, etc. It's really rational, but when you think about it, it adds an extra perk to using flexible packaging. MeUndies is known for their bold graphics, their graphics that change out. So this pouch says MeUndies, but they'll often do kind of seasonal or special collaboration illustrations, and they'll ripple that illustration work and the graphic work through from the product, the underwear itself, through to the packaging as well. So you're going to keep your eyes out. If you're a subscribing member to MeUndies, you end up getting multiple different versions of the packaging, which is really fun. This one is really graphic and colorful. It says MeUndies.com and repeat with different colors. You've got your shipping label, thermal label here, and then a larger logo mark here on the back. Other things, this package is soft. It actually is really soft. Their product is so silly soft. It's so comfortable. And that's something that they really celebrate. Being comfortable in your own skin, being comfortable in their product, being body positive, having fun. If you haven't checked it out, really you should check out their social presence and their Instagram because there's a lot of fun people being comfortable on there. I think that it's intentional and really clever that they ripple that fun and comfort through to the way that the package feels as well. This is not a standard poly bag. Information alert, wow, wow, wow. This is different than a standard poly bag in multiple ways. One, it's a completely different form factor. This bag has a gusset. The gusset has printing. You found the bottom of the bag, it says. I'm dead, I died. Give me a sec. How cute is that, you guys? It's meaningless to like brand messaging, except the fact that it lets you know that these people are fun on a bun. So, between the gusset, the fact that this bag is sealed at the top, has this tear strip, and is a zippered pouch, all of these things tell me that this is not a standard poly bag. In fact, it's a laminated pouch, but not just any laminated pouch. Standard laminated pouches are laminations of 3 different types of plastic fused together to add and give them their rigidity. Things that you see in pouches like that are often common in the grocery store. Kind of think of like the granola bag sitting on a shelf, etc. That's a laminated pouch. But this is different. MeUndies has worked very hard to create a laminated pouch that is fully recyclable. Because when you fuse 3 different materials together, it's not recyclable. It's basically destined to the landfill. But this one is not. It's fully made out of LDPE, which makes it a number 4 plastic and means that you can recycle this pouch anywhere you can recycle a number 4, kind of like a grocery bag. That's a big deal, folks. If you look in this top right corner, it's really cute. It says Open Me with the Me from the MeUndies logo, and you can see the perforation here. I think I'm gonna take them up on that. Ooh. There is a zip lock here, so I'm opening up a zippered pouch, and right inside is an information card I'll come back to, and my product. I got socks and I got underwear. Oh, I love it. The underwear is put right into the pouch itself. And so many brands shipping products like this are not doing that. They're putting the product into an additional poly bag or wrapping it in paper, putting stickers, belly bands. So MeUndies, putting it into this pouch, having it zip locked, and then having that additional piece of material that was heat sealed really gives me the sensation of freshness. Again, similar to a food product like a granola, when you rip it open, you know that no one else has touched your granola. Same thing here. No one else has touched my undies. As someone that unboxes a lot of brands, I am loving the simplicity here. They're achieving so much with the beautiful branding on the outside of the pouch. The product itself is allowed to stand and be like focal, because why include a lot more printing on the inside when my product is so beautiful and printed? And then of course there's this Collateral card. Introducing Feel Free. 5 new silhouettes, so they're promoting new product that they've launched. What's new? The triangle bralette, the hipster, the high-waisted, and then they're drawing attention to things about the product. Featherlight waistband, new cuts, inclusive sizing. That's another thing. The body positivity of MeUndies ripples through the friendly packaging, their presence online, which includes a lot of body positivity and people having fun and being comfortable, and then their inclusive sizing. They go from extra small up to 4XL in all of their products. Back to the softness. The product is dreamily soft, and the pouch is soft as well. And I just love the fact that they're using a special form factor, but I can still recycle it. Let's get a little geeky for a second here. Now, poly mailers are also LDPE. This is a variant, not just in its construction with the gusset and the zip, but it's actually LLDPE, which is linear low-density polyethylene. It's a slightly different material, and it has enough flexibility, but also enough rigidity in this 4mm variation to be heat sealable. So while a normal poly mailer is a bit too stretchy and might kind of deform, this has just enough structural integrity to make this pouch be heat sealable and have the Ziploc component. And par for the course with their fun branding and fun voice and tone, they say, please be a person and recycle this bag. The expectation is, are you a person? Yeah, check. Cool, then recycle. You know what time it is? Recap time. MeUndies packaging is obviously so fun, but what else does it have going for it that makes it truly stand out? Well, let me tell you. First up, it's soft. What do I mean? I mean that they've echoed the softness of the product right into the packaging itself, and it brings a cohesiveness, but also it's memorable. It's cheeky. It's cheeky in the sense that it calls things out to you. Like, remember this in the gusset you found the bottom of the bag? They are cheeky AF, and I love it. And also, cheeky, you get it. Third up, it's colorful. Not every brand goes big, bold, and colorful on their packaging, but MeUndies is doing so much color, whether it's the all-over flood coat or the fact they change up the graphics on the pouch so often. This has been MeUndies Unboxed.